was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself.
Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Peter Koito every time I say this video. Guys, without wasting your time today, I'll be teaching you the power of your saliva. One of the most sacred or one of the most powerful fluid in your body is saliva. Yes, saliva. A lot of people don't know. When they say there's power in the mouth, where is that power located in your mouth? We all know that there's power in the mouth, right? Where does that power lies? Mostly, let me tell you, that power lies in your saliva. So today I will be teaching you guys the power of your early morning saliva. Yes, the power of your early morning saliva. When that saliva has stayed in your mouth for some time without talking to anybody. So that type of saliva is what we are going to discuss today. The spiritual benefit of it. And even the physical. Do you know that this saliva can help remove pimples and ache physically? That's one of the physical benefit. It helps clear pimples and the ache. That's the physical benefit. So we are going to look at the spiritual benefit mainly. Please, before I go continue with this spiritual benefit, please don't ever use your saliva for sex lubricant. It has a lot of disadvantages physically. It affects you, and spiritually is not good. You have destroyed the power in your saliva. Okay, don't ever use your saliva for sex lubricant or lubrication. Now, this is how to use your early morning saliva. Okay, when you sleep at night, okay, make sure you don't talk to somebody at night till dawn. In the morning, that your early morning saliva. Yes, your early morning saliva. Pray on it. Pray on your early morning saliva. That your early morning saliva, you can put it in your palm, okay? Put it in your palm. Put it in your palm. It might be smellful, but spiritually it's good. That's why sometimes when you are fasting, you are not eating anything, nothing is coming to your mouth. It has some connection with your saliva. That's why fasting, say fast. It has connection with your saliva. Because when you are fasting, you don't eat anything, right? And your saliva is there, 100% pure, nothing is coming in. So that is why. So what you have to do is get your saliva, pray on your saliva. After you pray on your saliva, you can put it on your, spread the saliva on your hand, put it on your palms, pray on it. Have anything you want, pray on it. After you pray on it, then wash your hand on the water you want to take your bath with. You should not talk to anybody the morning before doing this. It should be the first thing you do in the morning. So wash that saliva in your bathing water and bathe with it. Do this for several days. Anything you pray for will come to pass. Believe me, it works. Anything you pray for will come to pass. Another way to use saliva is pray on your saliva. After you have prayed on your saliva, mix it with your body cream. Yes, pray on it once, okay? Mix it with your body cream. I'll be using to rub your body. Anything you pray on, as long as you're using that body cream to rub your body, it must definitely come to pass. Saliva do a lot of miracles. Saliva has a lot of magic people don't know about. Try this, and this will definitely help you. This was revealed to me. And it is not something I construct or something I just formulate. Guys, if you find this video helpful so far, please like this video, subscribe so that you don't miss any other of my videos. You can go to my channel, you see other videos that might be helpful to you as well. Okay, like, and may God grant you good luck as you like this video. I comment that this must work for me. I comment anything you want so that I can join you in prayers for that. Okay, comment anything you want so that I can join you in prayers for that. So that's the ways you can use saliva. You can mix it on bathing water, you can mix it on body cream. Okay, that's why most time, let me just give you guys this bonus. Do you know that early morning saliva is a charm? Yes, early morning saliva is a charm. It's a love charm for pets. If you guys are interested in it, tell me I'm interested. I will make a video right away on it in the next 13 hours. If you guys comment I'm interested, I will make a video on that. How to use saliva for charm for pets.